What is up, my riders? So I'm gonna just touch upon this really quick at the start of the video that I can update all you guys, because everyone was super kind when I posted about this on Instagram. So I just wanted to give you guys information about me, because that's what I do, especially if it could help one of you guys out. So your boy has been clean from nicotine, and I went back looking just to be sure of like when I started this whole like addiction, even if it wasn't all the time. And I went back almost 4 years where I was like hitting my vape just for fun, not really addicted, and I was doing like a low percentage, like 3 milligram. Cut to like a year and a half ago, I started, like, it might have been even 2 years ago, I started messing around with disposables with my cousin. Not realizing like how addictive it is jumping from that. Disposables have 50 milligrams, the maximum dosage that you can get of nicotine, and it's nic salt, so it's like less harsh but more nicotine in general. I slowly got out of control of myself because I forgot what it felt like to just be clear, like mentally, and have like my motivation back and stuff, and I'm nowhere near that. But I am officially a month clean. So it does get better, it does get easier, but your boy has been going through a lot of stuff that I just want to share with you guys to help you guys out. I didn't realize so many of you guys struggle with the same thing. Like, so many people were hitting me up saying that they do it too, and I had no idea. I literally have just been keeping myself away from it as much as I could for the first week, and then slowly just tried to not think about it and keep busy more and more. I'm still at the month mark where they're like, oh yeah, once you hit the month, everything's fine, you feel great. I just want to update you guys that it's not like that. I still have like really weird dreams. I still have like weird paranoias about stuff, like anxiety. Still on my antidepressant too, which is the craziest part. So I haven't like felt the proper like antidepressant effect in super long. But if you think about it, nicotine is dopamine, so I was getting serotonin and dopamine. It's something they actually tried with me. They tried a medicine that's supposed to help with dopamine on top of serotonin before, and I didn't like the effects of it. For some reason, nicotine like helped me. I mean, it would sometimes give me anxiety, just like if I'd overdo it with caffeine, but I was doing it just to give myself a break, my body in general, for my lungs, to see if it had to do with my thyroid, a lot of different stuff. So I'm going to keep you guys up to date, but I just want to say thank you everyone for reaching out and saying something. It really did like help me mentally realize like I'm doing this for myself, and it's good because everyone was being super supportive. So alright, sorry for the sappy love stuff. Let's get right into the video. Today's video idea, we're gonna do a POV up to my paps before I mow, and then after on the way back. Alright guys, I'm thinking this is gonna look the best. The whole overhead look. So we're gonna go with this, and drive up like this, and then try to figure it out again driving back, but I got the live preview on my phone to help me. I'm tripping just a little bit because I had a dream that I traded my car in for like 7 grand, and then I couldn't buy a car, and I ended up with like a SUV, and I had to apologize to the channel. So it's one of those dreams that felt really real. That's also another side effect of nicotine, but I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna keep it to the car stuff today, boys. go the back way specifically just for acceleration clips. There's a Volkswagen SUV. Following that dude, I would not have been able to really do anything. And I don't like riding people's butts. I find it rude to just ride someone's ass for no reason. It's annoying when it happens to me, so I try not to do it to people, ever. Am I gonna follow somebody that's going just as slow? No. Thank God. Can't tell, in certain gears my exhaust also tends to rattle a lot when I let off the gas pedal, so it sounds really annoying, but she still drives great. Love my little GLI. The Dream actually scared the crap out of me because I thought I lost my car forever and I was stuck driving a boring basic car. I guess that is my true fear. I went from driving a stock Passat after having a Camaro. Just realized how little fun I had. I could have tuned it, but I bought it with like 100,000 miles, so I didn't know how it was gonna last. Kept it stock, the 1.8, and then jumped to this. Now I'm always scared that I'm gonna have to drive around just bored out of my wits' end. This is like my happiness, and your boy will always have a fun car for the channel. I hope to keep that promise. Fourth gear. There, mamas. All right, we'll try for a second gear pull because it's not even worth it in first, just a baby pull. Gnarly on these things. Gnarly as. Boys, we gotta go to the bank to deposit money, and then we'll be on our way home. We got 11K steps. Heading home. Gotta deposit money first. I can show you guys how I can handle the corners right here, but I don't want to be up this dude's ass either. You can step down with the pedal, and then there's like an extra click to activate overdrive or wide open throttle, whatever you want to call it. I'm still like scared to do that because I spin, so I'm scared to do that. Spinning still. My good tires. It actually amazes me how there's people that have more power with their like GTIs with the Vortex turbos, just adding meth and stuff. Like, it feels insane. It does not feel safe. I mean, if you have, I guess, a long stretch, maybe, of highway, I don't know. My car, like, I guess, definitely needs to be lowered, too, just because the torque steer. Unequal length axles in the front. I mean, the torque steer is just nuts. Like, when I get wide open, it takes a little bit for full boost, but if I actually have a wide open road in front of me and I can actually get it to spool up properly, I'm shaking the steering wheel to keep it on the road. Doesn't feel too great. Front wheel drive, less than 3,000 pounds. It's an experience for sure. Should I try a little fourth gear pull? Percent of the day went to mowing. I mowed from like 2 till 7:30, but if you guys have any ideas you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys are liking the content, make sure to leave a like. Trying to put out as much content as I can for you boys. I like just had a stalemate for 5 days, just not knowing what to do and kind of feeling just under the weather because quitting this fun little addiction I have. I don't know what else I'll do. I know tomorrow Danny got me a new pre-workout to try, so I'll do a video on that. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. I love every single one of you guys, and I appreciate you all. Make sure to be happy, stress less. See you next one, as always.